In this video, you will learn how to delete videos or images from your media library. So starting from the main dashboard, go ahead and select whichever website you would like to delete photos or videos from. And once we are in this case, sportsfootage.com, we can go ahead and navigate to the media archive menu. It's the second option here on this menu bar. And we can go ahead and click on images. Now your images will start to load and you can organize them if you would like. You can select just the images that you've uploaded for specific sections. You could do the same thing for videos and PDFs. You could also click the images button up here at the top to just select the images. You could select the videos button at the top to just select the videos. You could also select the list all button by clicking on it, and you will see all the images and videos that you have for specific sections. Now, I don't recommend deleting images if you don't have to. As you can see, there are duplicates depending on the section and page that this image is used on. But let's come back to images, and I just added this image as a sample in a previous lesson. So if you did want to delete a specific image, you can go ahead underneath the image. You will see the image URL. You will see a delete and an edit icon, and we can simply click the delete icon. In this case, this software is sending me a confirmation, and I can go ahead and press OK. And here you will see that that is confirmed. The image was deleted. All right. Same thing for videos. If you want, you can hover over the video section and you can click delete on any video that you wish to delete from your library. Now, if we switched pages and we came back to a testimonial page, for example, that image that I just deleted of the male model is no longer on my page. Okay, so by deleting images or deleting videos, that will remove that image or video from your page, and you will have to manually go back and select a new image to replace the deleted image. But that is how you can delete images from your library.